Hi, this is Rebecca from Wondershare Phones here, and we finally received iPhone 12 Pros today. Without further ado, let's unbox it directly. The box is getting thinner because Apple no longer provides charging brick and earphones. Now let's have a look at what we have inside this time. The first thing we have this iPhone 12 Pro. It's covered by the white paper rather than the transparent one. This is the new square design, which looks more like iPhone 4S. Even the bottom is also in this square design. The bezel is made of stainless steel, and I really enjoy touching it. It looks more advanced than iPhone 12's aluminum edges, and it's even lighter than I imagined. Have a look at this 6.1-inch screen, and it's more made of the ceramic screen, and Apple officially announced its 4 times drop resistance, but I will suggest you not to test it. We have already known that we have less thing inside the box this time, but we do have a lightning cable here, and we also have the square mini paperwork here. And there is a single paper logo and a same ejector here. Apple is really cutting down lots of accessories this year to be more environmentally friendly. What do you think about this? We'll turn it on now, and I noticed the bezel and the notch is smaller. The biggest difference is this 5G antenna on the side, and the SIM card slot is down here now. One of the biggest differences of iPhone 12 Pro is the camera on the back. We have this telephoto lens, so you can capture objects in the far distance easily now, and the new LiDAR sensors enable us to have the advanced game experience. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more details about this phone, comment below and we will have more details review in the near future. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumb and click on the subscribe button. See you next time.